How to get Lohar in Rise of Kingdoms. So first of all, you gotta put in mind that you won't be able to get this character in the recruitment section over here, or the tavern, since Lohar will only be obtained through a specific event, most likely via the campaign. So if you want to go ahead and check, you can follow through the campaign levels over here. So to do the campaign, just follow the quests, and eventually you'll be able to get to that specific point. So you can also put in mind, if you want to know how to get the character sculptures, just go ahead to the commander itself over here and scroll down to whichever commander you want. In our case, we're going to take a look at Lohar. So if we press on the plus button over here, we'll be able to see the options or origins to get the specific item. In our case, the Lohar sculpture, and over here it will say in a special event, which is the Lohar's trial. So if the event is available, you should be able to enter it and potentially get you the item. So once the event is open, be active in it and you will be able to get the reward, which should include the Lohar sculpture. But that's pretty much how you get Lohar in Rise of Kingdoms. Just get enough sculptures of this commander. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.